Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Acornbox wallet from iPhone. Acornbox wallet is a decentralized crypto wallet that allows users to store, send and manage digital assets securely. But if you're changing devices, switching wallets or no longer need it, you might be asking how to uninstall Acornbox wallet from your iPhone safely. And in this quick guide, I'll show you the correct way to uninstall Acornbox from iPhone. Acornbox is a non-custodial wallet, meaning your wallet is controlled by your recovery phrase. Uninstalling the app does not delete your crypto. Losing your recovery phrase means permanent loss of funds. Make sure your recovery phrase is backed up before uninstalling. To uninstall, you need to go to the home screen where your Acornbox is there and simply press on your Acornbox here. And after that, select remove app and tap again delete. And here it will again ask you to confirm if you surely want to delete the Acornbox from your device. Select delete, and that is it. Acornbox wallet is now removed from your iPhone. And the final note is your crypto remains safe on the blockchain. You can restore your wallet anytime using your recovery phrase. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. And that is it. That's how you can uninstall Acornbox from your iPhone. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.